Manasi Pressings is an engineering conglomerate which is situated in Dhanori, Pune. They started their operations in the year 2002 by supplying machine components to Eaton Fluid Power Limited. Manasi Pressings specializes in all types of machining operations. The company is committed towards quality work and timely delivery. Some of their prestigious clients are Eaton, Mahindra, John Deere, Involute, Carraro, and many more.
I came in Pune in 1973. I joined Premier as a boring operator. From 1983 to 1995, I got huge knowledge of CNC. Based on that, our company take decision to send me to Italy. After 4 years, means 2000, I take decision to leave this company and do something for own. After 2 years, I start this business of Manasi Pressing. That time, Manasi Pressing business was 20 lakhs per year. As on today, Manasi Pressing having 11 customer. Of course, number one customer is our Eaton. Today, Manasi Pressing turnover is 30 crores. In 2015, our most important customer Fairfield approached to us for a telecom project. In project carrier component are there. We are study the whole project and we have taken decision to do this component at our end. In that component, run out of 3 holes PCD with respect to gear PCD. That is very application is critical, and we are do the best process and successfully handle the project, and ultimately customer was satisfied. From 2002 to 2008, we have machined various component of hydraulic field, agriculture field, construction field. Customer requirement was very critical, like roundness, surface finish, and of course coordinate. We have tried to do all operation on that used machine, but it was very difficult. That's why we have taken the decision to buy the latest machine which from market. That's how we operate the BFW. Of course, we have compared all machine suppliers also, but we found that technically and commercial BFW machine was very suitable to us. Productivity we found to 95%, which is very good, and of course rejection was very negligible. That's why I taken decision to repeat this order to BFW, and from that day to till date, we have always adding yearly 2 to 3 machines, and fortunately we have now total 15 machines of BFW. BFW service is very excellent. If I found some small issue, within 2 hours they are provided service, that is in mechanical as well as electronic also. We are totally satisfied of that machines as well as the service and technical discussion when required. One small suggestion from my side, when I give the order in future to BFW, delivery period if minimized, that is better. In future, definitely we will think BFW only, because we are getting good support from BFW.
Manasi Pressings believes in engineering excellence through innovation. The company is fully satisfied with the product and services of BFW, as it has helped them to reduce downtime by less than 2% and increase the productivity by 95%. Whenever they have to buy a VMC, certainly BFW will be their first priority.